You are going to love the 2017 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, power liftgate, xenon headlights, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.